So Stopbox USA is offering the Black Guns and Gardens family a buy one get one free deal on the Stopbox Pro. The link is in the description and in the first pinned comment of this video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a gun owner, keeping your firearm secure yet accessible is crucial. Today we're diving into the world of firearm safety with an in-depth look at the Stopbox Pro handgun retention device. Stand by, y'all. So the Stopbox Pro handgun retention device is designed to conceal and prevent unintended access to your firearm while it is not on your body or in a safe. Whether you're at home or on the go, this device combines convenience and security in one sleek package. The Stopbox Pro handgun retention device is constructed of glass reinforced polycarbonate, ABS, and additional steel reinforcement. The Stopbox Pro measures 9 3/4 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 1 3/4 inches high. A full-size pistol with a light, red dot, and extra magazines can easily fit in the Stopbox Pro. With its intuitive design, the Stopbox Pro is easily unlocked by first placing the Stopbox Pro on a solid flat surface. Secondly, you should index your hand in the corner of the enclosure and align your fingers with the 5-finger actuators. Next, you should press and hold the ring and index finger actuators at the same time. Finally, while applying downward pressure on the lid, press the thumb actuator fully and lift to open. When locking the Stopbox Pro, you should ensure that all the contents are inside of the box. Then firmly press the center of the enclosure until you hear it lock shut. A default combination comes pre-installed in the Stopbox Pro. However, the default combination may be adjusted to 81 different combination options. Changing the combination on the Stopbox Pro is simple. Stopbox USA provides easy-to-follow directions in the packaging to perform this task. The compact design of the Stopbox Pro makes it easy to store in various locations. The Stopbox Pro is security cable compatible, padlock compatible, and TSA compliant. The Stopbox Pro handgun retention device is an awesome choice for aiding and restricting immediate, unintentional access to your firearm. If you would like to acquire a Stopbox Pro handgun retention device for yourself, the affiliate link will be pinned in the first comment of this video, as well as in the description. As always, when you use our link, you will receive an awesome deal on a fantastic product. And we will receive a small commission, which will help us continue to bring you awesome 2A content at no additional cost to you. We appreciate everybody for rocking with us. Black Guns and Gardens out.